What's good, everybody? Today I'm back out here at the coast because I've decided that I want to try out rock fishing for the very first time, and honestly I have no idea what to expect. I've only been to this particular spot once, and I didn't even fish it, so I don't know if there's any fish in this particular area, this particular spot, particular location, particular. I genuinely don't know what's out there, so if I do actually manage to catch a fish, then I'll be pretty fucking happy. Alrighty, now with that being said, it's time for me to walk down to the spot, and yeah, I'll see you motherfuckers in a second. Okay folks, making my first cast of the day. Well guys, the conditions definitely aren't ideal right now. It's actually a lot windier than I thought it would be, which is definitely not a good sign. The waves are chaotic, and that frightens me because, you know, I'm a fucking pussy. I'm afraid of shit like this, man. I ain't trying to die today, no sir. But you know, if I do die, hopefully at least I catch one rockfish. At least one, god damn it. Well guys, I must admit I'm shocked right now because I haven't gotten a single bite. And I honestly thought that this spot would be the juice, because this spot doesn't look like it's pressured at all. Looks like no one comes out here. So, you know, I thought that this place would be productive, but I don't think I'm gonna catch a fish out here, which is really disappointing considering the fact that I really wanted to check the rockfish off my list. Oh well, if this doesn't pan out, then I'll head out to the beach. Oh shit, snag. Oh, god damn it. Well, I haven't gotten bit, and I'm about to lose my first lure of the day, so I think I'm just gonna call it quits because I only have an hour of daylight left and I don't want to waste it. So I'm just gonna head out to the beach now. This is a disappointment, but you know what? Better luck next time, right? Alright folks, I have made it to the beach, and right now the waves don't look too crazy, which is definitely a good thing. And the weather right now is actually perfect for the Lucky Craft Flash Minnow. I think it would really shine in these conditions where the sky is cloudy and the waves aren't too wild. But unfortunately, I lost my Lucky Craft Flash Minnow. I already reordered some, but they're still on the way. So as of right now, I do not have any saltwater jerkbait lures, which is pretty damn unfortunate. But regardless, I'm trying my luck, and I'm pretty sure I'll catch a couple fish today. So, see what happens. See you dingleberries in a second. There you go. There's one. Yep. Hooked up. Hooked up, baby. Yeah. Doesn't feel too big. Yep, it's dinky barred surf perch. But hey, skunks out, folks. Yeah. Oh, chill. There we go. Okay, little man, see ya. Oh, there we go. Oh, hella close to the shore. He just slammed it. Damn, that was crazy. This guy really wanted the sandworm, folks. He really wanted the sandworm. Woo! Alright, buddy, see ya. There we go. There's another one. I think. Nope, never mind. Damn, they're hitting it hella close from shore though. Holy shit. They're slamming it like literally 3 feet in front of me. They are so close to shore. It's insane. There we go. There's one. Yep. Fish on. Oh. Did he pop off? No, he didn't. Damn. They just keep getting smaller and smaller. Oh well, it is what it is. Fish is a fish. I'll take it. Alrighty, buddy. Deuces. There you go. There's one. Yeah. This one feels a little bit nicer. He's actually giving me a little bit of a fight. Come in here, bubber. Oh, yeah! Check that out, folks! Woo! It's a red tail, baby! Yeah! Look at that! Fuck yeah, motherfuckers! What? Well, buddy, you made my day. Thank you so much, sir. See ya! There you go. There's one. Yeah. Does not feel very big at all. Definitely a small one. A lot of dinks. What is it? Is it a barred or a red? Oh, it's a barred. It's a barred, folks. Yeah. Take a look at that. Another barred surf perch, baby. Alright, let me unhook you real quick. Do not try to fight me, or else I'm gonna eat you. And you don't want me to eat you, bud, so behave. Alright, little man. See ya. There we go. There's one. Yep, hooked up. There we go. Woo! Another fish, baby! Yeah! Come in, you son of a bitch! Come in! It looks like it's a dinky barred. Yep. Another dink, baby! Alright, buddy. Bon voyage, motherfucker! Okay, folks, it is the following day of the rock fishing / surf fishing trip, and you know, kind of bummed out that I didn't catch any rockfish, but it is what it is. And you know, it was my first attempt and I didn't succeed, but that's all part of fishing. You know, you win some, you lose some. That goes for life too in general. You know, you don't win all the time, and hopefully you don't lose all the time either. Honestly, y'all, rock fishing turned out to be a little bit more complicated than I thought it would be, because originally, you know, I thought, hey, these fish are relatively easy to catch. You know, just drop a piece of squid or shrimp or a Kietech and just throw it out there and you should get bit. But, you know, that didn't happen, obviously. And I'm definitely gonna have to do a little bit more research, you know, trying to find some new spots, some more productive areas. So if any of y'all know some good rock fishing spots, hit me up on Instagrams or Fishbrain, just, you know, slide into my DM. And, you know, any tips, suggestions, be greatly appreciated. And if you're really good at rock fishing, I'll be down to fish with you, you know, learn something from you. And, yeah. Overall, though, I still had a blast because, I mean, I didn't get skunked. I still caught some fish. They weren't big at all. All of them were dinks. But luckily, I did catch one little red tail, which actually made me very happy, even though he wasn't very big, because it is my first red tail of the year. Now, for my next fishing trip, I am planning on traveling up north from where I live, because I really am trying to catch some more red tails. And I've heard that the further up north you go, the more red tails you will encounter in the surf. Fingers crossed I'll catch some big fucking red tails when I head up north. And with that being said, it's time for me to get the fuck on out of here. So I will see you beautiful dingleberries on Wednesday. Peace out, motherfuckers.